noise.
We're at a cemetery. We're at a cemetery right now. Skates, our flashlights. Shut up. And we're gonna try to see some ghosts. It's pretty scary. Oh my god, it's freezing.
It's always colder around the dead.
It's always colder around the dead.
Around the dead, it's always colder.
Wow.
Huh?
That's scary.
Not yet, wait. Oh, entrance. Found it.
Found it?
Yep. Going in. We're going in.
I'm going in the cemetery.
Oh look, the gate's open, just ready for you to walk in. See that?
The gate's open, the gate's open, the gate's open.
Lights off. Lights off. Lights off. Glad lights off.
Dead people, I see them.
We shouldn't be stepping right here.
What?
This is a grave, bro. It's fine.
What?
We shouldn't be stepping here. This grave.
Papa.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Light off.
Is that a new one? Watch your stuff on.
Oh god.
What is that? Is that a tall statue right there? Yeah, it's a tall one.
Huh?
I have it on video.
If there's anybody here with us tonight, can you make a noise to let us know that you're here? No light. Turn the light off. Don't use the light.
Why?
Don't.
Oh yeah, I don't think we should be here.
Can you please not go forward?
Oh god.
I can step in my phone cave, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. Watch the gravestone.
If you're here, can you move something or make a noise? Let us know you're here.
If anyone's here, please make a noise.
Can I please leave? Please. Please. Can I please leave?
Where are you, Ali?
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Quit with the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Hiram Murray. 1837.
Died in.
Where's the flashlight? Right down there.
Don't. Quit with the lights.
Dude, it's pitch black and we have to have
I want to
flashlights.
go. I hear a noise over here.
I'm not lying.
I can't see it.